This was my get ready for work routine. This is only when I have like some time to get ready. Sometimes I don't even wear makeup to work. You know what makes it so much easier? What makes you look like you're awake or something? Eyelash extensions. Because, I mean, they just like, eyelashes just make everything better, to be honest. I mean, whoever says no, they're lying. Anyways. And now the sun is out. It was a little bit cloudy, but it's out now, so it looks like it's gonna be a beautiful day. I hope you guys enjoyed this. It is very glowy. As you can see, very glowy. I like it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and if you did, please like this video. Anyways, I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.